Hey, what's up you guys? I'm Travis.
I'm David.
And we're at Cafe Con Leche Travels.
Today we're going to show you guys 5 apartments that we got the opportunity to tour, and we want to take you guys along on that search.
And at the end of this video, we'll let you know which one we ended up choosing. So before we started our apartment hunt, we made a list of things we absolutely must have, things that would be nice to have, and things we don't really care about. So at the top of our list was budget. We came here to save money, and we wanted to cut our monthly budget in about half. That was the goal. So our number one priority was budget.
The second thing is we wanted to get a place that had 2 bedrooms. Not so much for guests, but if you want to come hang out, you'll have a room for yourself. But also because I record and Travis does a lot of writing work, so we just wanted an extra space that would allow us to do that.
So the third thing we absolutely had to have was high-speed internet. The reason that Merida is home to so many digital nomads is because a lot of neighborhoods have fiber optic internet. So we wanted to make sure that we were in a neighborhood and a building that had quality, reliable internet for both of our jobs.
Number 4 on the list is we wanted a place that was furnished. So that means bed, couch, kind of those bigger items that you would spend a lot of money on. We really wanted a place that had those things.
Fifth thing we absolutely had to have was a quiet neighborhood. Speaking of quiet, what is that? I think it's gonna go as soon as the light changes. The fifth and final thing on our list was it had to be quiet. We had heard and had experienced some of the neighborhoods were louder than others, and for David recording singing and just for general peace of mind, we didn't want to live in a super loud part of town.
We also had a list of kind of some things that we thought would be nice to have. One of those things is outdoor space. Travis really would love a pool.
I mean, who wouldn't love a pool?
We've gotten that luxury already at the place we have now. But he also wants that place that would allow him to have plants galore.
And it's just nice here. It's hot, but at night it cools off. So outdoor space would be nice to have, not necessary, but nice to have.
Yeah.
The next thing would be a washer dryer inside the house. Some places have them, some places don't. Some places have a washer dryer hookup and you buy your own or negotiate with the landlord if they can buy it. And the lavanderias, the places that do the laundry, are super inexpensive, so it's not a deal breaker, but it would be nice to have.
The third thing on that list is 2 bathrooms. It would be nice to not have to share, I guess, a bathroom with our guests.
I thought he was gonna say me, and I was like, really? And the last thing on our nice to have list is a walkable neighborhood. Uber is super inexpensive here and accessible, so it's not a big deal if we can't walk anywhere in the neighborhood, but it'd be nice to be able to walk to a little grocery store or a little coffee shop. But again, it is times with COVID, so we're not really leaving. So it'd be nice to have. So then there were the things that we just didn't really care about at all. The top of that list would be location. Even though I just said a walkable neighborhood would be nice, the reality is we're spending 90 to 95% of the time in the apartment because
we're recording and writing and
because COVID.
I was getting there.
Because we're just homebodies.
I was getting there.
Because of the global pandemic. So we're not leaving. We don't go to restaurants. We don't go to bars. We wear masks when we're not on an empty street. So we don't care really where the place is as long as it's nice.
The next thing that we really don't care about is the size of the space. Now, that kind of has some parameters around it because we want something that is comfortable, but we don't need anything as big as the place that we have now. That's actually a little too big if you ask me. It was fun for the first week, and now I feel like I'm getting lost.
We lived in the shoebox in Los Angeles, so we do feel kind of spoiled with all of these must have, should have, nice to have.
But we've never been in a space where we've even been able to have those kind of lists, so it's kind of nice to just think about that for a minute.
Yeah. And the last thing we really don't care about is fanciness.
We not fancy.
We're not fancy. We just don't care. There's a lot of new, nice luxury buildings here that are nice with marble looking things and really cool showers. But at the end of the day, we couldn't care less.
At all. So the first house that we went and saw is in Central, and it was 16,000 pesos.
And Central is where our, I think that Christmas market is. How attractive we are, probably. Central is the neighborhood where our rental house was for the first month. It's old. A lot of original colonial buildings are here. Almost all original colonial buildings.
Yeah, it's very cultural, historic. A lot of like beautiful colors, a lot of art, a lot of people.
Tons of bars, tons of restaurants. Not a lot is open right now because of COVID. Some stuff is. A really walkable neighborhood and close to everything.
Yeah. So you walk in the front door and there's really cool high ceilings and a little seating area.
The main room had nice decorations, but it was missing a couch.
The main bedroom faced the busy street.
The kitchen was compact, but it did have an oven and a door to the outside area, which had a nice breeze.
And the refrigerator was disconnected from the kitchen. There was a cool indoor-outdoor garden area.
There was a washer, no dryer, and only one bathroom.
So the second bedroom had 2 beds in it and an updated air conditioner.
And a ceiling fan. And the backyard had a good-sized pool and plenty of space. All right, so that place was cute.
Yeah, it was. It was so, like,
Centro charming.
yeah, it was. Stole the words out of my mouth.
I liked the pool.
Pool's great. There was a lot of great, like, historical, old Centro-like things in the house.
I like the high ceilings.
Yeah, a lot of place for your plants.
Tons of place for plants. Downsides were the kitchen was a bit small.
And the other thing is it was a little noisy. The bedroom faced the street. And there really wasn't a place for me to, like, record.
That's true.
Do things like that.
All right, on to the next one.
So this was a brand new townhome, never lived in.
Really good sized kitchen. It didn't have an oven, but it did have a 4-burner electric stove.
You go upstairs and the first bedrooms, they actually were equal bedrooms with nice big windows, new air conditioning, walk-in closets.
And through the walk-in closets in both bedrooms were full bath. So that place was nice because it was brand new.
Yeah, like no one can say no to a brand new place.
Let 1970s go by. It's getting honked at everywhere. The only thing with that one is it was the 3rd townhouse back. There were 3 in a row, and this was the 3rd farthest from the street. So it didn't get a ton of natural light.
Yeah, and I know how important that is for Travis, especially with the plants you want to get.
And we're gonna be sitting at home. So like, kind of want it to be as bright as possible.
And a couple other things that did not have an oven, and that we make a lot of things, we cook a lot of our meals.
Frozen pizza. But that was great. That was a great house.
Yeah, it was so nice. The stairs just in the living room area, and all of the great furniture that they already had set.
All right.
So this is a recently built townhome. It's more modern.
Downstairs was the kitchen with a dining area and a living room and a nice outdoor space. It also had a half bath.
So when you go upstairs, the bedrooms were both equal size. They both had beds in them. Very light, open, spacious, had ceiling fans and AC.
And in the main bedroom was a king-size bed, which was really nice. And in each bedroom, there were 2 large walk-in closets with a full bath in each.
So that one was really great.
It's another good choice. This is gonna be so tough.
No, it had a lot of natural light, which is great for Travis.
We didn't get it on film, but there was a balcony off the second bedroom, so that was cool. The owner was really nice.
The owner was so nice.
It's in a quiet neighborhood and it's set back from the street. It's a little alleyway with all those townhomes.
They did have kind of an outside seating area also, which is great.
It wasn't finished,
But they said they were going to finish it once we got there.
so this is gonna be tough.
Really, really tough. Which one?
All right, let's see the next one.
So this was another brand new townhome. You walk in, nice half-size bathroom.
And downstairs, the living room was really open. It was an open floor plan with exposed stairs and a catwalk from the second floor where you could see everything, including David.
So in the main bedroom, it was everything was brand new. Had a really big walk-in closet, and also the bathroom, his sinks, really nice size.
And in the guest bedroom, there wasn't a walk-in closet, but it was a built-in on the wall. Everything was brand new, air conditioner and all the furniture, and it did have a full bath attached to it.
In the back, it had a nice outdoor area that led into the living room area and the kitchen, because again, everything was just very open. So overall, just a really open space. So that was a townhouse that we saw in a neighborhood called Tamazon Norte. It's a very nice area, a lot of new development happening, but there's not a lot of walkable things in and around where we just saw that particular townhouse.
The realtor drove us past what the old Tamazon Norte or the original Tamazon Norte looked like and called them like little casasitas, and they're just like small, nice little, like it was like a little village outside of Merida, and now it's exploded with all these new developments, all these gated communities. Like we're walking by this. What?
It's amazing what's around here.
The last place we saw was in a gated community of about 20 townhomes built around a central area with a pool, a kids' playroom, and a clubhouse where all the residents can use.
Yeah, all the amenities were really nice, and when you walk right in, there was a half bath to your left, another open floor plan, a really nice living room area, and nice outdoor backyard area as well.
Behind the kitchen was a laundry room, which was really nice. Upstairs, you had 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and that couch actually pulls out into another bed.
And the guest bedroom had a nice full-size bed, and also its own bathroom with a shower.
There was also a walk-in closet in the second bedroom. And the main bedroom had a king-size bed, its own full bath as well.
A TV in the bedroom. There's a lot of TVs in the bedroom here. Nice walk-in closet. Just a really nice space.
What's not pictured, we were here after the sun went down, but over these stairs on the whole roof is a skylight, so it is really light during the day.
All of the furniture is modern and updated, and this house in particular had everything. It was completely furnished except for a washer and dryer, but everything else came with this home.
Like plates and cups and dishes, and they said all you need to bring was your suitcase.
So those were the 5 great apartments that we got to tour.
It was a really hard choice because all of them were great.
I feel like we lucked out because Merida has so many great options of places to live.
So, are you guys ready for the big reveal to find out which apartment we chose?
Which one do you think it was gonna be?
All right, drum roll. The answer is...
You have to tune in next week to find out.
We'll show you our new place next Thursday. We're gonna show you moving in,
signing the lease. We might even get a chance to introduce you to our realtor, who is amazing. Leave a comment below on which one you think we chose and which one you would have chosen.
Thanks so much for watching, and here comes our tagline.
Hasta luego.
We'll see you next time.